Welcome to the London Academy of Hospitality Limited, the go-to place for all your hotel industry training needs. We know how tough it can be to find and keep talented folks in the hotel business, and we've got just the solution for you. Introducing our user-friendly online learning platform, designed especially for hotels all around the world. With over 100 interactive courses, we've got everything you need to excel in the hotel industry. Plus, our certifications are globally recognized and endorsed by the Institute of Hospitality, so you know they are legit. Whether you're in need of front office or housekeeping staff, or even general managers, our academy is here to help you train and upskill your team. You can easily identify any skill gaps and provide targeted development, all in one convenient location. We also understand that each hotel is unique, which is why our courses can be customized to fit your specific needs. When your staff feels empowered, they tend to stick around longer and give their best. This means better efficiency, happier employees, and outstanding service for your guests. Say goodbye to complicated training processes and high turnover rates. With our innovative e-learning ecosystem, we'll help you cultivate the future leaders of the industry, starting today. So come on in and let's get started on your journey to success. Simplify your training processes and significantly reduce staff turnover with our innovative e-learning ecosystem. Together, we'll cultivate the leaders of tomorrow, today.